I want a chocolate cobbler. I love chocolate cobbler. When my kids were small, we used to go out to this, I think it was called Hometown Buffet. They always had this chocolate cobbler on their buffet. Okay, we're gonna take one 9-inch pan and we're just gonna spray it lightly. That's it. We're not gonna grease it or anything, just spray it lightly and set it aside. Is 1 cup of unsifted flour, just 1 cup. 3/4 cup of sugar. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. I just use the Hershey's. 1/2 cup of whole milk. And 2 tablespoons of shortening melted. I just put that in the microwave. Oh, and I did preheat my oven to 350 degrees. We don't want our shortening hot. We just want it melted. Just gonna get a little whisk and start whisking. Ooh, I get it all over me. I know I have tons of aprons, I just don't wear them. I guess I'm worried it make me look like grandma. Well, guess what? I am grandma. I have to get that in my head. That's easier said than done. Now, I like being a grandma. All right, this shortening, this is just 2 tablespoons of shortening. We're just going to pour it right in because it's not boiling hot. Just going to stir it right in. This is looking good, y'all. Just go ahead and put it right into our little pan, right on the bottom. You can add nuts to this if you'd like, but we just like plain old chocolate cobbler with no nuts. I love cobblers because they're just too easy. We're going to take 1 cup of brown sugar and 1/4 cup of cocoa. The Hershey's is what I used. I think I need a bigger bowl because I don't want to get it everywhere. I've already got it everywhere. I don't guess it really matters, but you know. Mix it together real good. Break up any lumps from the brown sugar. And now we're just going to sprinkle it right over the top. Now we are going to take 1 3/4 cup of boiling hot water. I just got this out of the microwave and pour right over the top. Don't mix it anything, just pour it right over the top. We're going to put this in a 350 degree oven for around 40 to 45 minutes. So make sure you set your timer. My husband brought in my grocery order from Walmart, my Walmart pickup, and I'm going to share it with you. I even got some Christmas gifts in here because I have not had time to go and shop. Remember, I have a new grandbaby coming, and our life has been kind of chaotic and hectic, but in a good way, not a bad way. But I want to share with you my grocery haul and a few of the gifts that I got from Walmart. We kind of do the same thing every month. I got a few dish towels, and you see these big jars here. I am going to put those dish towels and dishcloths in those great big cookie jars or flour jars, whatever. The big canisters, the glass canisters. I just got some sausage, the Walmart brand sausage. I got some TV dinners. As you guys know, Tina really likes TV dinners, and sometimes she doesn't like the southern food that I cook, so she asked me to get her some lean cuisines or some TV dinners and things that she likes, like poppers and all that. So that is exactly what I do. These are just some little doggy biscuits and some doggy food, and I did get a great big bag of dog food. These dish towels, I got 2 buttermilks. I really got one, but they didn't have them, so they substituted 2 of those. I got some cake mix and some frostings, and this frosting is going to go for my little great niece's birthday. She likes vanilla everything, and I'm going to be making her a little birthday cake. Well, I'm kind of going to make her a big birthday cake with different colored layers, and so I just did the vanilla, and I'm going to use the store frosting. Then I got shampoo. I think my last video I got shampoo. I got some onions, bananas, some cherries. I love this tart cherry juice. I have some all the time. I drink it all the time with just water and ice. That's really all I drink, or water. I very rarely drink anything else. Once in a while I may have unsweet tea. I had some hairspray also. I really needed that. I got some creamer. I got a little watch. This little watch is going to go for my little great nephew, but I'm going to put some money in it with him. I don't know if he's ever had a watch, but I thought I would just do that. And then this is for my new granddaughter that's going to be born next week, who's not supposed to be here till January, but that's okay. She's got to have something under the tree. Also, never tried this, but I thought, you know what? I'm going to give it a shot. This, it's called Jam Condition Shine. I'm going to give it a shot too. I need a little bit for Tina's hair also. Pineapple. My grandson, I'm going to cut some up for him. I got tons of different kinds of hash browns because we really like them. And next week I'm going to be so busy, but with my grandson and the new baby coming, I thought, well, I better go ahead and get some. I may not have time to make any. Then I've got milk and orange juice. And I got a great big container of lard. Yes, lard. Some smoked pork chops, some cream cheese, some pudding and bologna. Tina loves fried bologna sandwiches, and she's very picky about her food, and I give her what she likes to eat because she is grown and she can eat what she chooses. I purchased some almond extract and some pure peppermint. I want some hot chocolate with the peppermint extract. I bought those little crispy crowns. I really like those. Bought 2 of those tomatoes, some storage bags, some freezer storage bags, some little Jell-O puddings. I was completely out, and I usually keep at least 4 on hand. I've got to make that birthday cake for my great niece. Then I've got some croissants, and I'm going to make a breakfast casserole out of those. Some hamburger buns, some spinach, some tortillas, bagels. I'm going to make meatball subs with the French bread, and I'm going to make some cheese quesadillas for lunches and different things, some enchiladas, different things with the tortillas. And I love spinach salad, and I used to eat lettuce a lot, but I don't know, I think I like spinach the best, so that's all I eat now, the spinach. Then I've got these 2 great big canisters, and they are going to be Christmas gifts for someone. I'm going to stuff them. I'm going to stuff them with all different kinds of little goodies and give them as a gift. It's a very inexpensive way to bless your cook, or any person that actually has a kitchen. You will see. I'll show it to you in another video. Taco truck, little Barbie taco truck that I got for my granddaughter. It's just some cooked bacon. Not a very big grocery haul, but a very expensive one. It literally blew me away. Well, I did get Tina some soda. She does like soda pop. He did not bring in the dog food or these soda pops. He just put them outside. But this is my grocery haul. It's not very much. I can get it all on my island. I wanted to try this. I love jalapeno pepper jelly. Love it. I'm gonna learn how to make it. Some peach preserves. And I also got some apple jelly. That was my grocery haul. Now I did get some Christmas gifts. I understand, and shampoo and all that. That's what costs so much. I'm very blessed and I'm very grateful that I was able to purchase this, but I think the new year I'm gonna have to revamp my grocery budget. It's a little over the top, and I think we're gonna have to revamp some things. Not complaining, but just saying it's getting a little too expensive. I'm not doing any more grocery shopping till in January, and this is the 16th of December, so probably be the middle of January before I go grocery shopping again. Just don't want to put it away. I went and put me on an apron because I'm just I'm making a mess everywhere. And this is that chocolate cobbler. It's going to be gooey in the middle. It's going to be kind of loose and jiggly, but that's okay. That's the way you want it. You do not want it to come out clean. You want it to be a little jiggly, because this is chocolate cobbler and it's piping hot, and that center it's like pudding inside. That is just, it's just so amazing. But I'm going to let this cool. That chocolate cobbler smells so good. It was all jiggly. It's not jiggly anymore. It is perfect. This is the best chocolate cobbler you will ever eat. Let's eat some before dinner. Okay, let's dig into this cobbler. Oh my goodness, look at that chocolate pudding. See, that is what you want right there. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. I'm going to put a dollop of whipped cream. We're going to sit down and have us a little bit of cobbler. Oh my gosh. Gotta make this chocolate cobbler.